Slowly close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and release it gently. As you do this, something within you begins to shift softly, silently. This very change is the beginning of meditation, a journey that leads you back to your true self. Meditation is not a technique. It is a homecoming, a return inward. When you sit in silence, you move beyond the body, beyond the thoughts, and arrive at that sacred space where only peace, light, and pure existence remain. Many believe that meditation gives powers. It's true, but those powers are not meant to control the outer world. They awaken the understanding of the inner one. As your thoughts begin to quiet down, energy starts flowing in one direction. That focused energy slowly transforms into consciousness, and that consciousness becomes a mysterious power. Your words gain depth. Your presence spreads calmness. Sometimes you can sense another's feelings without hearing a single word. This is the language of the soul, which awakens in meditation. As your meditation deepens, you begin to merge with nature. You feel its vibration, you hear its heartbeat, and it teaches you compassion, peace, and wisdom. The true seeker of power is not the one who desires, but the one who learns to rest in simple being. When desire dissolves, energy flows naturally. This is the state where light begins to bloom within you. At times, you may feel gentle waves rising through your body, or a soft radiance in the center of your head. Do not be afraid. It is a sign that consciousness is awakening. This is the same energy that the ancient yogis called Kundalini. Gradually, you realize that you are not just a body, nor a cluster of thoughts. You are the consciousness that flows through the entire cosmos. In this experience, there is no separation. The meditator, the meditation, and the meditated all become one. When Buddha sat beneath the Bodhi tree, he too experienced this oneness. When you touch that state, you live in the world yet remain untouched by it. The meaning of power transforms. It no longer means to do something, but to accept everything. Slowly, you understand, meditation is not an act. It is the nature of life itself. You no longer need a temple or scriptures. Every breath becomes meditation. Every moment becomes silence. Wherever you go, peace follows, because the power has now become stable within you. You do not control it. It flows through you, effortless, pure, and divine. When surrender blossoms, you realize true power is where the I disappears. That is the moment when meditation, love, and life become one. Every smile becomes meditation. Every action becomes penance, and every breath becomes a song of God. Now be silent. Turn inward. Feel that peace which was always within you. This is the mystical power. This is you.